Claude, it's the start of our Europa League campaign. Just how much are you personally looking forward to it getting underway?
It's a good game, exciting and a good challenge to play this Europa, this game. Of course, it's important to understand you play two games in short time, just 2 days between Prague, for example, and Swansea. Swansea is very hard and difficult to prepare this, but I think we have a good squad, many players with a good level, international player. At the last international period, we had 12 international players, and this it's important for the for all the season to feel this challenge for all the competition.
How important could your experience in Europe be for your players?
I think perhaps many players don't have the experience of the Europa League, but it's interesting, exciting, I said, and important to develop a good level on this competition, the good quality of football, same in the Premier League with a good efficiency this time, because it's important not just to play a good game, but also to take points or for tomorrow to win. This it's important for the squad, and it will be rewarded. The play for all their work of the beginning of the season.
Just how big are these two matches for the club, Swansea and Sparta Prague?
I think it's important because you play for the moment. You played four games interesting inside in the quality, and the results are not interesting at the end because. You don't find the good efficient with many chances every time. I think it's important to take confidence, to insist with this quality, because I think we are strong in defense and also with many chances against every team like United or Arsenal. This is very interesting now. Of course, it's important to find the win for all the people on the club, of course, and our supporters and fans also.
Sparta are a well-established European club. What sort of test are you expecting from them?
Yeah, it's a team. Every season, they have the possibilities to dispute this campaign European Champions League or the European League. It's a team with good experience, of course, good maturity. They play a good football also. But we have good players, good team. We start with a good identity now, and it's important to, I say that to find the good efficient on the pitch to score. But to score is not just our striker. I think all the player of the team can score also. It's not. It's important to write a good performance of our striker. It's the job of all my players with all positions.
How seriously will the club be taking this competition?
Of course, it's not just the Southampton, the club, but the players, the staff. Of course. Want to win, want a good qualification for the next of this competition, and it's important. A group it's important to build a good mini championship to find at the end a good qualification, and it's different than the Premier League, but it's an exciting challenge. and it's important not just to thinking. Not just thinking to win our game, but just to play this game every 3 days is fantastic for all the players, all the squad, and it's important, of course, to continue to play every 3 days with many games, because all the time the player prefer to play games than the training session, of course, and it's okay. I hope this consideration is possible in the second part of the season also. It will be a good thing.
Just on that front then, how are the squad looking? Are there any injury concerns ahead of Thursday's match? Will you perhaps look to rotate and rest a couple of players at all?
No, I say all the player with good form, they are fit, no problem. But just Buffal continue his progression. It's okay. He finds this week the pitch. It's good news, and we will see for the next weeks. But no, all the team ready to play this game.